Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Follow the steps to add apps to Hisense Smart TV. Take your Hisense remote, press on the home icon button. You can check the Stan app in the Premium Apps section. If you don't find in the Premium Apps section an alternative option, open your Open TV store.
Take our lead.
Step 1. Take your Hisense remote, and press the Home button. Step 2. Select the App Store icon and open it. Step 3. Search for the app you want to add from the Premium Apps section. Step 4. Select the app you want to install and press the OK button of your Hisense TV remote.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Step 1. First select the Play Store app from the home screen, and select Apps option using the Hisense Smart TV remote. Step 2. Swipe left or right to choose the preferred sorting option. Step 3. Now, scroll to the app that you want to download, select the Install button and press OK button of your TV remote.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.